Good morning, sweet second graders. It is Monday, March 1st, and it is Read Across America Week. You'll be seeing lots of fun Dr. Seuss activities on our schedule for the week. Let's start, though, by taking out the papers we need for the week. Click on here, this link, and check out all the papers that you'll need to have close by for the week, handy for your Zoom meetings and just the papers that you'll need for your activities and for your lessons. Make sure you scroll all the way down and take them all out. Okay, our word of the week this week is optimistic. Even though Jay had a broken arm, he was optimistic that it would heal in time for baseball season. What do you think this word means? Go ahead and write that down in your purple folder. Now, this week we're also finishing up our road trip across the United States. In here, you are going to be reading about the St. Louis Arch. It's at the end. It's the third to last American symbol in this packet. Go ahead and read, highlight key words, and then you're going to answer the questions on the next page. Shakti had a birthday yesterday. Wish him a happy birthday with a special message on Seesaw today at some point for him to enjoy. We can't wait to hear about your birthday, Shakti, and how wonderful it was. This week, you will not be having any Zooms with Mr. Taylor, Mrs. Boris, or Mrs. Erickson. Instead, you're going to be going to their websites and doing the assignment that they posted for second grade on their website. So on our at-home calendar, it will not send you to a Zoom link. It's going to have you send you to their at-home or their website so that you can do the assignment that they posted on their website for second grade. But we will have a Zoom at 9:15 today, just like we normally do. And you can go ahead and bring your whiteboard, your marker, your eraser, and your notebook. And this week is going to be a little different because we only have one Zoom per day while the teachers are getting ready for some of our class to come back to school in the mornings. They're going to be coming to school for a little bit. They're called the hybrid learners. That means that they do both at home and a little bit at school. And then we have our remote learners who are just learning from at home. So that is why this week we're only going to be having our one Zoom meeting in the morning. Okay, normally we go to have our snack, and then we've hopped into a new month of March. Here is our March calendar with our dates. We have a few birthdays and other events you can add to the calendar. And one of those events is St. Patrick's Day. And we will be learning about the holiday St. Patrick's Day, and we will be visiting Ireland and learning about it, writing about it in our passport. So for our art for the month of March, we are going to be drawing a leprechaun, and we'll be talking more about those as we learn about Ireland. Now make sure that you do the drawing of the leprechaun on the back of February so that when March opens, here's your March calendar, and your leprechaun's going to go here on the back of February. Okay, after March calendar, go ahead and do a little bit of Gigi. Last week, we had so much great kindness happening. Mrs. DeLotte and I received the nicest, kindest emails. Those words really filled all of us up. We know that National Kindness Day was the week before, so we're finishing out our kindness activities with this kindness packet. It looks like this. It was in the plastic bag of delivered materials. This is something you can finish the whole packet today because it's not that long. You'll be writing a poem, and you'll be drawing and just thinking about ways that you can spread kindness. So here is this packet. And then after lunch, you will be taking a flight on Air Force One, which is also another American symbol. Now, there is no sticker for this in your suitcase, but you could draw one if you wanted to somewhere in your suitcase. So go ahead and click on the slides for Air Force One and find out what that American symbol is. We're getting close to the end of Crenshaw. Listen to chapters 47, 48, and 49, and we're getting very close to seeing what happens with Jackson and his family. Okay, last we have some optional work here. Mrs. Sodergren has included read across Walnut Grove, just like read across America. But you can read the directions here, and you can print this out if you would like to do this challenge, read across Walnut Grove. And of course, it involves a lot of reading and filling in on the Walnut Grove map every time you read a book. And then those will be submitted to Mrs. Sodergren. This is optional, and that's why I'm putting it down here at the end of the day. Okay, lots of important information. I will see you at 9:15 on Zoom, and I can't wait to see your faces. It's going to be a good week.